when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky. A trip to the stars.
Bjorn, get up! It's a disaster! Come on! Bong, 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 bong! Bjorn, a star has fallen! Ugh.
What do you mean? What star? Where did it fall?
Bjorn, come on! I'll tell you everything on the way! Remember you were telling me about shooting stars, right? Well, I was in the woods this morning, just walking, when bam! There was a star! Shining! I got real close and I just couldn't believe it! There! We're here!
Do you know how early it is?
Look at that! Isn't it awesome?
It really is a star!
I know! That's what I've been saying! Now, we just have to get it back into outer space. Who knows? It could be part of a constellation or something.
But Buck, space is a long way up. How will we get the star back up there?
Duh! We'll build a spaceship! Rockets are easy McPeasy to build. Excuse me, pardon me, big fat genius coming through. Friends, I give you the great super McDuperific rocket jet-o-matic R-Infinity Space Wagon! Applause would be appropriate.
Don't rockets generally fly kinda up?
Huh? Right. That's more like it. So that's our rocket. We've just got to build it now. Let's get to it. We can do this. It's not rocket science. Oh, except it is. Ha ha ha!
Hey guys, by any chance have you seen...
Oh, Franny! Hi there! Do you like our rocket?
Hey, Franny!
It's big. Where's the door?
Coming right up! Ha ha!
We should return the star before sunset.
Well, in that case, I guess we better hurry. Start the countdown!
5,
4,
3,
2,
1 3/4.
none and a half! Now! I probably should have gone to the toilet first.
Did we do it? We actually did it!
We're Space Bears! Bwom, 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 bwom! It's so awesome!
So that's what space looks like. I thought it would be taller. So, should we put the star back now? I said the star, not Chicky, dude.
My bad. I mixed the levers up. This is so cool. Starlight, star bright, we hope this sets things right. Now it's time to head home. Take care of yourself, beautiful little star.
Make a wish. Yeah, this has been a wonderful day.
What a terrible day.
What? Franny, what's wrong?
It's just that I lost an earring somewhere in the forest and I haven't been able to find it.
What did it look like? We'll help you find it right now.
It's just like this one, shiny and star-shaped.
Oh my, I think that your star earring is one of those up there.
Yeah? Where?
In the sky. We just took it up there in our rocket. Guess now there's an earring constellation.
Well, I guess it's cool that it will be shining in the night sky now. We should hang this one in space too.
Tomorrow we'll fly up together and put it next to the other one. It'll be awesome.
Pirate story.
Laying a course for home, roared the pirate captain, and a skull and crossbones flag rose atop the main mast. The end. Yeah.
Wow, that's so great. Oh, I want to be a pirate.
Me too. I'll be the pirate captain, and you can be my crew.
Why do you get to be captain? I would be a cool pirate captain.
Ha! You, Bjorn, you're not cut out to be a pirate captain.
I'd be an awesome captain.
No, I'm the captain.
No, I'm captain.
You scurvy bear.
Boys! Come on, don't fight. Look, I baked a nice pie. Who wants some?
Franny, can you not see we're in the middle of an important discussion? Look here, Bjorn. I'm the pirate captain, and that is final.
All right, captain your ship. I'll just have a ship of my own.
Boys.
Chicky ahoy! Sweet! Awesome! Yeah, I am totally a pirate captain. The king of the seven seas. Who's there?
Arr! Shiver me timbers! Raise the mizzen mast! Full speed ahead! Huh?
Huh? What is this bottle doing here?
Bottle Eye? Where'd you come from?
There's something inside.
Ooh, a treasure map!
Blimey, a treasure map.
Well, blow me down! A circle of grass!
Yo-ho! A pine tree without branches.
A rock! Yar! Aha!
Ah! Bucky,
That's Captain Buckbeard to you!
Oh, is that so? Well, I'm Captain Longbjorn Silver. I have both a parrot and a treasure map to prove it.
No, I'm the captain. My map is way better than that lame map that you have, fake captain.
Oh, we'll just see about that. I'll find my treasure before you find your dumb treasure.
I know I'll find mine before you. There's no way he'll find the treasure first. Without my new treasure seekoscope, all right? Find some treasure! Ahoy, treasure! Yeah! Wait, what? Curses, it be a rock. Ahoy! Nar, just an acorn. Booty ahoy! Ah, blast! It's only a mushroom.
Well, Chicky, according to the treasure map, what we're trying to find should be nearby. Go look around. Find the treasure, Chicky! Find it! Have you got it? Did you find it? No, Chicky, that's a strawberry. Keep searching. Not quite, that's a raspberry. Try again, please. Those are pine cones, Chicky.
You are a treasure seekoscope, not a random wrong stuff seekoscope. Find treasure! You scallywag! Oh, sorry, I didn't mean it!
Well, did you have any luck?
None, did you?
No, sir. The problem is that this stupid map is useless.
That's right. Yours and mine both are. I've searched near every tree and found nothing.
Hey, wait a second. Take a look, Bjorn.
Bucky, are these two halves of one bigger map?
Huh. So we were looking near the wrong trees.
Arr! Yo-ho-ho!
So why is the ladder here?
Climb up. I'll hold it steady.
There's something in there.
Treasure! It must be the treasure! Ha!
Whoa, look. Dude, hi. I guess that's why they call us pirates.
Good one, Buck.
Hey, guys!
Hey, what are you doing here, Franny?
Hang on. Just listen to this, Franny. We just found a genuine pirate treasure pie.
I made that pie. I wanted to play pirates with you guys, but you were ignoring me. So I'm the one who drew the treasure map, just like I'm the one who baked the pie.
Arr! That's awesome, Franny.
This turned out to be the tastiest pirate story ever. Isn't that right, Long Bjorn Silver?
Yep, you're absolutely correct about that, my dear Captain Buckbeard.
What happened to our pie?
Huh?
Bring that back, you rapscallion!
The home stretch.
This is awesome! Yeah! Oh, guys, we should totally make our own racing cars, am I right?
Yeah! Andy's off.
I'm building the super fastest car with super strength and super muscle. Zoom across the finish line. Engine, gas, super turbo, vroom!
Hit the brakes.
What?
We don't want a plain, regular, smoggy car with oil drips and all that exhaust. We should build a whole new kind of car. One that runs on pure, clean fuel. Like the wind, for instance. And we could just float like clouds.
What? Cars should be as fast as lightning. Engine, gas, super turbo. We need to build a proper racing car.
But my wind car would be pretty quick. Let's make my wind-powered race car.
Listen, guys. Why don't we just make both of them? And then we can race the cars against each other.
What do you think? Should we race?
Totally.
Yeah! The racers pull up to the starting line. On the right, you will see in the red helmet Thunder Bucky in his sweet super ride, the SKT 4 million trillion gajillion! The fastest, most powerful race car in the universe! Ha! Ha ha!
And on the left, you'll see in the blue helmet Bjorn Free in his clean and lightweight and eco-friendly new vehicle, the Speedy Cloud.
Gentlemen, start your engines! Ready, get set, race!
Eat my dust, wind boy!
What you doing?
I'm riding the wind, like the wind.
Vroomity vroom, vroom vroom vroom!
So whoosh, I guess, maybe.
Vroom, vroom vroom, screech! Yeah! I've got to be the fastest bear in the world! Vroom! Turn, screech! Yeah! Oh! Out of the way, tree! Ouchie! This is very bad! Rock! Rock! Oh. Rock!
Buck, are you all right?
Well, I think I'm all right. Just had a bit of a hiccup with my awesome race car.
Whereas my eco-friendly wind machine is absolutely immune to the hiccups. Oh, I think the wind stopped. I could use some eco help here.
My goodness, nobody even made it across the finish line, guys.
Well, if there's no wind, there's no eco speed.
It just needs some wind. All right, then. Bucky, what do you have?
A fan? It blows air in one direction.
Just like, oh, maybe the wind. And who might need some wind? Do I need to spell it out?
Franny's right. Let's work together to make wind.
But of course! Fran, you're a genius! I can't wait to see the Speedy Cloud 4 gajillion trillion million in action! Steer to the left!
Aye,
taking walks and playing games when there's sunny weather. If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
Friends together! Or inventing super mega awesome one-of-a-kind race cars together!
Everything together!